Czar. That's Caprice and Sierra over there. Ah! Listen to Czar growling with Dante.
Video, honey.
Ah! Dante pinned him. The two girls. Look at her hair. Look at her tail. See her tail? Becky, Sierra's tail in a challenged position. She's got spunk.
Is that Caprice there?
That's Chloe.
Caprice is in the pink.
Caprice is coming up right now. Yep. Miss Lavender.
Oh, she even walks like Sue after a couple glasses.
Ah!
What are you three doing?
Playing. Get him, Caprice. Get it. Beat it up. Yes, tell it.
You sound like little piglets. Little guinea pigs.
When they first started, they sound like a hive of bees because they go. It sound like bees humming. Get it, Czar. Oh, he pinned you, Czar. He pinned you. Yeah, he did. I sit down here with my coffee, and I just go like this.
Gosh, I'd be sleeping with
and
all of them.
I do this, and I dim the lights, and then they go like that, and they know I'm here when I come down, and they run to the box, their tails are going, and they bark. Oh my God. I can't imagine next week how much more animated they're going to be.
Oh my gosh, in 5-6 weeks, you're going to be cruising.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, look at them all.